Australia's skilled PR pathways. Your dream of living down under could be closer than you think. Dreaming of Australia? Let's unlock the top 5 skilled visa pathways to permanent residency and a new life down under. Subclass 189, the Skilled Independent Visa. It lets you live and work anywhere in Australia, no sponsorship required. To qualify, you need to meet age, English, and skills criteria, scoring enough points on the migration points test. Subclass 190, Skilled Nominated Visa. This option lets Australian states nominate skilled workers for PR. Best for those who match a state's in-demand occupation list. You agree to live and work in that state. Subclass 491, Skilled Work Regional. For skilled people willing to live in regional Australia with a pathway to PR. After 3 years in a regional area on 491, you can apply for the 191 visa, gaining permanent residency. Subclass 186, Employer Nomination Scheme. Australian employers sponsor skilled professionals for permanent jobs and PR. Ideal for those with a full-time job offer from an approved Australian employer in a qualifying role. Global Talent Visa for top achievers in target sectors. Fast-tracked PR for those with exceptional expertise. Designed for leaders in areas like tech, science, and research. No job offer needed, just proven global recognition. Permanent residency unlocks Medicare, giving you and your family access to world-class healthcare in Australia. PR holders enjoy top-quality education, eligibility for citizenship, and the ability to sponsor family members. Choosing the right pathway is the first step to your Australian dream. Which one will help you start your journey?